Alright, we're at the rod and gun. The rod and gun. Nobody's here. That's the patio. It's my truck. It's the hill, and of course a bass boat has to just pass by. Has to flex on me like that. Like and subscribe, guys. I wish I had a bass boat. I really wish I did. One day I will have a bass boat. Yes, I will. There's a bunch of cops at Lewis Park today. I don't know what's going on. It's a beautiful day. Let's catch us a fish. Probably gonna be 2 parts of this video. God, man, those dogs are still out here, dude. Insane. Poor dogs. Poor dogs. Why the fuck are they playing music? Thank you, bro. Appreciate it. Fucking music.
No, they want to say something. No, they said.
Thanks, boss. trying to fucking turn the music off. You guys are gonna go out on that boat?
Yeah.
Oh no.
That was there.
Dang, the big boy one?
Yep.
Nice.
Got redone.
You guys can't ever fish? Or it's just like strictly business in the Sea Scouts? Or
We're able to fish sometimes.
do you guys like fishing? Or
Yeah.
yeah?
I went to load out lake on my first day and I caught a carp.
Really? What'd you catch it on?
Huh?
What did you catch it on? Like, what were you throwing out there to catch it?
Senko.
A worm? You caught a carp on a Senko? That's crazy.
I know. I wanted to go for bass, but then it was just like, oh shit, I think that's a carp.
Yeah, exactly.
And after I got it on the land and I got my net,
Yeah.
it was a carp. I was like, oh, dude.
How long were you there fishing? Was that the only fish you caught?
About I was out there for like an hour or two,
Nice.
and then caught a baby bass.
Nice, dude. I never fished there. I've been planning on going over there. Go fish over there.
Yeah. Use worms, you may catch a turtle.
I seen, if you're interested in fishing in carp, they're all downtown. There's so many carp. I seen like a 50-pound carp over there. It's crazy. It looked scary how big it was, dude. I swear to God.
Skipper's running late. Is expected to be here at 10:45. Are you serious?
Damn it, Skipper.
You know what? Hello? Hey, what's the new code?
You gotta get the GoPro on when you fish.
You gotta get the GoPro to record.
Yeah, when you fish. The fishing video's been going crazy on YouTube. I've been doing it every day now.
Thank you. Yeah, we went to San Francisco. We went out to the Golden Gate Bridge, all of us, and we went crab fishing, rock fishing.
Nice. There's a bunch of...
Squid in my...
Really? Squid?
Yeah. I was shocked that Emiliano even caught a trout. I was like, oh shit.
Trout?
Yeah, he caught a trout.
While sea fishing?
What? Yeah. It was crazy.
Yeah, there might be trout out there, yeah. Are these your boys right here?
Over here,
No, that's pulling up in the boat right here.
oh shoot.
No, I think that's a shirt.
Oh, really?
No.
Oh no, is that fishing game?
Oh my god, you should have
Possibly.
been there while rock fishing. We got hella crabs.
That sounds fun.
No, we got hella crabs. Yeah, you should have been there.
Me?
Yeah,
I was there.
Actually?
Yes, I was.
Well, I didn't see you.
I was with you.
No, you weren't. I was in the front of the boat with like James.
I was in the front of the boat too. When Joaquin was dying.
Oh, he was dying.
Yeah, and then remember when we first got out, we started jumping the
Oh shoot, James almost flew off. I had to grab him by his like life jacket.
Yeah, remember I was there.
Yeah, you were there.
With the the seal that we were feeding.
The seal? What were you feeding
That
them?
seal was evil. He stole our bait.
What were you feeding them?
We were just feeding him
It was,
fish and
Like just the leftover bait.
And he was loving it?
Yes,
Yeah.
he's a fatty. He goes up to other people's ship and then like he yells at them. He's like sharp and he steals your bait.
Man.
He didn't even say bye to us when we went back there.
Hey, guess what I saw?
Shark?
Last Friday. I saw Phantom be out there.
Actually,
Yeah.
get on that. Oh wait, we should just open up the button.
Yeah, I gave you the key for a reason.
Let's go.
How long are you guys gonna be doing this today?
We're here till noon.
To like 12? Okay.
And then we're back tomorrow.
Nice. How old are you guys? Like 15, 16?
I'm
17?
17.
You guys have fun, man.